Alright, today's episode is going to be on the mouthwash caddy. That's a really fast, fun, easy piece that you can do. This is a piece of firewood, a scrap piece of firewood. And this was a 2" by 2" by 1 foot blank. I was able to get all these out of. And it was about a total of 4 hours, not including dry time, depending on what you're going to use to coat stuff at the end. Obviously, you have to be careful with this. Let's get to it. I almost forgot, I started drilling. All this is, it's just too old. This was like a 2 by 8 or something. They sit like that. And what I did was I put popsicle stick on either side to create just a little bit of a spacer. Just crush it in the vise. talk about finishing the cups. They're done with something that would be very similar to like a butcher block conditioner, except it's more heavily weighted on the wax side. There's beeswax in it, but there's carnauba wax as well. Carnauba wax is much harder than beeswax, so, and it has some food grade mineral oil, but they just got a couple of coats of that. Alright, well, I thought I hit record. I didn't. This is a piece of firewood. Just so you know, real quick, this piece of wood right here, I had it somewhat in here. All I did, obviously, it was a rough piece of firewood, so blah blah blah. Put it like this. Clamp to the face, clamp to the other face. Bam. Drilled the holes. That's as far as I've gotten, and touch this with a hand plane. Alright, so now all that we're jumping into is a file. That's it. Alright, I'm sure you guys get the point. So let me save my battery and I'll get back to you after I work on this for probably about half an hour. Alright? See you guys in a few minutes. The bottom I did with a coat of tung oil, and then I shot like 3 or 4 coats of polyacrylic polyurethane over it. It's just a water-based polyurethane. So, yeah. Able to catch one stud on this side, but without the stud, that was just another fastening system. It spring action opens it up behind the sheetrock, and then you just screw it in. You kind of want to hold it out so that it's holding against the sheetrock, and as you screw it in, it'll just pull the piece in, and once it makes contact, it's actually a pretty strong bond. Okay. As always, appreciate the view. If you guys got anything out of this, and if you guys like and subscribe, that was some. And that's that.